Good day, everyone. Okay, so for today, we'll be looking at lesson 7 composite function extra exercises. Okay, so that we can understand about these composite functions more clearly. Okay, so the first question here states that given fx is ax plus b and f square equal to 25x minus 10, find values of a and b. Okay, so when you get this type of question, how to tackle is first I got fx, which is ax plus b, and I got f square x, which is 25x minus 10. So I will create my own f square x using this info, okay, which is f x. F square x is f(x), which in fx I'm going to substitute another fx, okay, which will give me ax plus b, and I'll get a square x plus ab plus b. Okay, so this is my f square x, and from here we are having f square x is 25x minus 10. Okay, so when we are having two f square x, we can compare. Okay, we can compare. From here I can compare the coefficient of x, a square, here it's 25, so I can tell that a square is 25. Okay, we compare the coefficient of x, here coefficient of x, so a can be positive, negative 5. Okay, it can be positive or negative 5, and also the balance, this one, ab plus b is negative 10. Okay, here the balance is negative 10. Okay, ab plus b is negative 10. Okay, when your a is 5, okay, when your a is 5, b plus b equal to negative 10, 6b equal to negative 10, b is negative 10 over 6. Okay, this is when your a is 5, but your a has two possibilities, either 5 or negative 5. When your a is negative 5, negative 5b plus b equal to negative 10, negative 5b plus b, negative 4b, negative 10, and your b is negative 10 over negative 4, 10 over 4, okay, which is 5 over 2. Okay, so your a, finally your final answer will be when your a is 5, b is negative 10 over 6. When your a is negative 5, your b is 5 over 2. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, because the question stated values, so a and b has more than one values. Okay, moving on to next question. Given fg and f, so find your g. You are given with fx and also fgx. You have to find gx. Okay, when you're having fx, you can make your own fgx, which is substitute gx in your fx, which you'll get gx plus 4. Okay, this is your fgx. You have made your own fgx, but in the question they give fgx is 3x plus 9. So you can compare them, your fgx and their fgx. Okay, so it means gx plus 4 equals to 3x plus 9, and your final gx will be 3x plus 4 plus 9 minus 4. So your final gx is 3x, 9 minus 4, positive 5. This is your final gx. Okay, this is how you find when they give one of the function and one composite function, you find another function, gx. Okay, I will show you with another example, last example. Given fx is 2x minus 3. Okay, you are having one function fx 2x minus 3, and fgx is 4x square minus 12x plus 9. So you have to find gx, another function, to make this composite function. So imagine I'm not having the fgx now. Okay, fgx is supposed to be, substitute your gx in fx, which is 2gx. The place here x will be substituted by gx, 2gx minus 3. Okay, so your new fgx is 2gx minus 3, and the fgx they gave is 4x square minus 12x plus 9. So you can compare both of them now. Okay, this means 2gx minus 3 equals to 4x square minus 12 plus 9. Okay, so 2gx is 4x square minus sorry, I left out with the x just now, 12x. So here 12x plus 9 plus 3. Okay, so 2gx will be 4x square minus 12x, 9 plus 3 plus 12, and your only gx will be 2x square minus 6x plus 6. Divide the whole thing with 2. Okay, this would be your gx. Okay, so when you're given with fx and fgx, you can find your gx, the another function. Okay, we have explained that thing with 3 questions. Okay, I hope you all understood this lesson, composite function with extra exercises. Thank you.